Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative tech reviews. Here's our in-depth look at the Genetrainer Atom DNA Test Kit, a tool designed to help you understand your genetic predispositions related to fitness and nutrition. Links to the product are available in the description below. Genetrainer distinguishes itself by focusing specifically on providing DNA-based insights tailored for fitness enthusiasts and athletes. This review will delve into the key features of the Genetrainer kit, explore its target audience, and examine how it differentiates itself within the increasingly competitive DNA testing landscape. The Genetrainer test kit is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible for even those unfamiliar with at-home DNA testing. Upon ordering, you'll receive a comprehensive kit containing clear instructions and a simple cheek swab for sample collection. The collection process is quick, painless, and can be completed in just a few minutes. Once you've collected your sample, simply mail it back to the Genetrainer laboratory. Results are typically available within 2 to 3 weeks. What truly sets Genetrainer apart from other DNA testing kits is its targeted focus on fitness genetics. The test analyzes specific genes associated with various aspects of physical performance, including recovery speed, endurance levels, potential strength gains, and even predisposition to injury. It provides a deep dive into how your individual genetic profile influences your fitness capabilities, offering personalized, actionable recommendations designed to maximize your training outcomes. Beyond fitness insights, the Genetrainer test also explores your dietary tendencies. It can help you determine the optimal balance of macronutrients based on your genetic makeup and fitness objectives. The reports generated are presented in a clear and concise manner, delivering scientifically backed information alongside easy-to-understand explanations. Unlike some competitors, Genetrainer prioritizes practicality, ensuring that the insights you receive can be immediately integrated into your existing fitness routine. Whether you're training for a marathon, striving to improve your overall fitness level, or simply fine-tuning your current workout regimen, the advice provided is tailored to your unique genetic code. Genetrainer is an excellent resource for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, or anyone seeking to personalize their exercise and nutrition plans based on their DNA. It's also a valuable tool for individuals looking to minimize the trial and error often associated with achieving health and fitness goals, offering data-driven recommendations for more efficient and effective results. In conclusion, Genetrainer offers valuable and actionable insights for anyone committed to optimizing their fitness and overall health through a genetically informed approach. Its user-friendly process, comprehensive reports, and dedicated focus on fitness-related data make it a compelling choice in the DNA testing market. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level with the power of science, click the links in the description to get started with Genetrainer today.